Good morning children. Welcome back to the English class. So, yesterday we have completed our lesson. Remaining half of the lesson we have completed yesterday. So, today we are going to revise once again our lesson. Lesson to me, about me. So, before going to revise, I have to ask something. Have you all purchased the books? No. Those who have purchased the books, very good. Those who haven't purchased the books, please go and purchase the books. It is very high time to purchase the books. Already we have completed lesson 1. Now we have going to complete our lesson 2. So please my dear children, go and purchase your books. What is the name of our lesson? Me. What is the name of our lesson? Lesson 2, me. So, all of you open textbook page number 9. Textbook page number 9. Read along with me. I will give you reading practice. Read along with me. Those who have no books, look at the board and read. Those who have no books, look at the board and read. Those who have books, please take your textbook page number 9 and look in your book and read. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. Hold up 10 fingers. Hold up 10 fingers. Second, two little arms and one little nose. Raise arms and then point to nose. Third one little mouth and two little ears. Point to mouth and ears. Two little eyes for smiles and tears. Smiles and tears. Everyone smile. Next, one little head and two little feet. Shake head and feet. One little chin That's me complete. That's me complete. Hold up arms. So all of you listen, open textbook page number 9. Once again I am going to revise our second lesson, me. So I have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes. I HAVE have, TEN 10, LITTLE little, FINGERS fingers, AND and TEN 10, LITTLE little, TOES toes. See, first, the very starting of this lesson, I have explained about fingers. I have 10 little fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what are the names of these fingers? Tell me, what are the names of these fingers? This is called thumb, this is called index, this is called middle, this is called ring finger, and this is called little fingers. Totally we have 10 fingers and 10 little toes. 10 little toes. See, look in the picture. These are our 10 little toes. 10 little toes. These toes will balance our body. See, our body balance will goes upon our toes. It will balance our body. 2 little arms. 2 little arms and 1 little nose. So 2 little arms, 1 arm and second arm, 2 arms, right arm and left arm. This upper limb and lower limb, these 2 limbs are connected with our elbow, and this upper limb, elbow, this lower limb is connected with palm. These palms are again connected with our finger. Overall, this is our right hand and this is our left hand. Next, 1 little nose. 1 little nose. See, this is our nose. All of you point your nose, put the finger upon your nose. See, I am using this finger for show me to show my nose. To show my nose. Yes or no? We are using our fingers. With the help of fingers, we are pointing. See, I am showing my nose with the help of finger. Index finger. Index finger is used for pointing, for mentioning, for showing. So, with the help of this finger, I am showing my nose. What is the use of nose? With the help of nose, we can breathe. We will breathe. Without breathing, we can't live. Can you live? Hold your nose for 1 minute. 1 or 2 minutes it is possible. If you hold it for, can we live? Without breathing we can't live. With the help of nose we can smell different fragrance, different smell. Good smell, bad smell. Next, raise arms and then point to nose. Raise the arms. Raise means you have to lift like this. See, raise the arms and point to your nose. Point on the nose. Next, 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. 1 little mouth and 2 little ears. This is our mouth. Our mouth consists of lips, teeth and tongue. With the help of our mouth, we can talk, we will eat, we can sing. Yes or no? We can shout. Next, 2 little ears. These are our ears. See, these are our ears. All are having 2 ears. Yes. Now what I am telling, you are listening. How you are listening? With the help of your ears. Yes or no? I am explaining you. I am explaining the lesson. How you are listening? With the help of your ears. Yes or no? Next, point to mouth and ears. Show me your mouth. This is my mouth. Show me your mouth. I can't see, but you point your mouth and ears. Next, 2 little eyes for smiles and tears. These are our 2 eyes, right eye and left eye. With the help of eyes, we will see. With the help of our eyes, we can see. We can read, we can watch movies, we can observe everything what is going around us. Next, 1 little head. This is our head. We can shake our head right and to left. Next two little feet. We can tap with the help of feet. We can walk. We can run. Yes or no? Next one little chin. That's me complete. That is me. I have explained about me, our body parts. Now, see, you have to read this lesson. Those who have textbook, read the lesson and practice hard words one time. You have to read the lesson and practice the hard words. From 2 days I am giving you hard words. You have to practice that hard words of second lesson and you have to post in your class group. Okay? Little, fingers, toes, hold, arms, nose, raise, point, mouth, ears, eyes, smiles, tears, everyone, head, feet, shake, chin, complete. These are the hard words of this lesson. You have to practice and you have to post in your class group. Okay. Once again, my dear children, very soon you have to purchase your books. You have to purchase your books and you have to start reading textbook. You have to read the lesson. You have to practice the hard words. Now, HAVE have, TEN10, LITTLE little, FINGERS fingers, AND and TEN10, LITTLE little, TOES toes. How many fingers you have? 10 fingers. How many toes you have? 10 toes. Next, HOLD hold, UP up, TEN 10, FINGERS fingers, TWO2, LITTLE little, ARMS arms, AND and ONE1, LITTLE little, NOSE nose, RAISE race, ARMS arms, AND and THEN then, POINT point, TO2, NOSE nose, ONE1, LITTLE little, MOUTH mouth, AND and TWO2, LITTLE little, EARS ears, POINT point, TO2, MOUTH mouth, AND and EARS ears, TWO2, LITTLE little, EYES eyes, FOR fur, SMILES smiles, AND and TEARS tears, EVERY every, ONE1 everyone, SMILE smile, ONE1, LITTLE little, HEAD head, AND and TWO2, LITTLE little, FEET feet, SHAKE shake, HEAD head, AND and FEET feet, ONE1, LITTLE little, CHIN chin, THAT apostrophe S That's me, me. complete, complete. hold, up, arms, arms. Read the lesson and practice hard words one time. You have to read the lesson and you have to practice the hard words one time, and you have to post in your class group. Otherwise your name will not be mentioned in the grades list. Are you all getting the grades? Are you all posting your answers in your class group? No? Yes, you have to post it, you have to do it, you are good children. Now you are studying in class 1 now, you have to do your homeworks regularly. You have to read the lesson. In UKG have you read the lesson? No. In first class you have to read the lesson, you have to practice. Now you are getting more homeworks, you are in class 1. So you have to read the lesson, you have to practice the work given by the teachers, and you have to post in your class group. Okay? Have you all understood? Yes. That's all for today.